Beauty Wemero, smarter one-stop solution for salon and spa. Your wise choice to grow your business. Trusted by 5,000 plus salon spa users globally, Beauty Wemero is professional in what a salon spa needs to boost business. Beauty Wemero 18 plus sales tools and 13 plus marketing tools are very practical to help salon spa owners to reach and get more clients precisely and effectively. The marketing tools include advertising on Facebook, which will help promote your salon spa, which enable you to reach more than 5,000 nearby clients in only one day. Flash sale and the promotion sale will attract your clients a lot to increase your bookings. Email marketing will help you segment and retain your customers with email templates that are just in several clicks. WhatsApp reminder will remind clients of their bookings in time, and you can set up the remind time. Service Happy Hour will offer bumper discounts to help fill your calendar when your store is not getting enough customers and sales. Reserve with Google will increase your exposure and allow clients to book directly when they search on Google. You can also connect to your Stripe or PayPal and set up your deposit percentage to receive online payment. At the same time, you can set up no-show protection to assure clients' bookings. Along with WhatsApp, SMS, and email reminders, it will make your show up rate up to 99%. Download Beauty Wemero Biz App. You can put your business in your pocket. You can generate a smart share poster to share your salon spa shop on social media. On Beauty Wemero, you can manage the category of your products and sell them on your website, and the social media promotion widgets will make it easy for you to promote products. At the same time, you can manage your supplier, as well as manage your stock at your fingertips. Or add more attractive products to sell. You can select your products from other more suppliers on the Beauty Wemero supply chain. Beauty Wemero will help you manage the staff payroll as well, so that you can focus more on your services. Look into more performance of your salon spa, including staff, clients, sales, appointments. See the growth of your salon spa and set the goal for your shop to motivate your staff every month. Join Beauty Wemero now to grow your salon spa business. Thanks for watching our video.